Alright, I'm going to show you something interesting, so watch closely. It's in the body, pressing it in real hard. Look how much better the gears spin than the last day when I shimmed this. I switched the bevel gear. Why? Because there's imperfections in the King Arms bevel, the axle. So it made more noise even though it was perfectly shimmed than this does. Right there, trying to tell you, noise is one thing, perfect shim job is another. You can have a perfect shim job and you can still have noise. But here it sounds so much better because there's less imperfections in the G&G bevel axles, so it gives a nicer sound. That is the only thing I have changed. With the same, it's almost the same amount of shims, but still a perfect shim job. I had to change it just a little bit because it's a little different than the other gear, but it sounds nicer, and this is just proof of that. I just thought I'd show that on camera. That is so cool. It sounds so much nicer, so much quieter. So this will be nice.